So over the years, you can see we have lots of paint on here, and if you look over at the other one, there's even more. And I've been scraping it off with the scraper, and just taking my time. Kind of what I did on the tall roof, I did the same thing, only had tar, a lot of tar there. And you can see the results. See how much nicer this looks? So it's really, someone did a lot of work on this stuff, so we need to preserve it. We got a little crack spot here, so we're going to put a piece of aluminum down in here and let it overhang about a ½ inch or an inch, probably a ½ inch. That'll take care of these little divots I got smashed, probably by ladders over the years. And we're working on the side here, so we have a bunch up in there, you can see. So we're going to keep working at it.